Do you already eat something?
No.
So please, you can.
Yeah, sorry, we will.
You go just straight until the end. You have a drink and food. For you.
Thank you so much.
And after we have prize money. Okay.
Prize money.
Ka-ching! But you must go, okay?
We must go.
Yeah, you shouldn't miss, okay?
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers to you guys.
Thanks. Yay! Oh my god, 23:30.
I thought he was a team.
Yeah. Congratulations, Paul.
You too, man.
You can have the wine. I don't like red wine.